Hello everyone, I'm Zakiah Pratiwi. I'm from 3 TKJ GBA2 class.
Here, I would like to present my presentation about why bridge collapse. Here, I will give some example of collapse bridge. The connector bridge between Lahat Regency and Muaraenim Regency collapsed under the river. Description of the bridge. This bridge is a link Lahat district to Muaraenim district, South Sumatra. This bridge is not a main bypass. This bridge crosses Mulakul River. The collapse of the bridge occurred on December 30, 2019 in the early hours of the morning. Head of the Emergency Management Division of the South Sumatra Regional Disaster Management Agency, or BPBD, Ansari said that the flow of Mulakul River also damaged people home drifted. It was reported that 6 houses were drifted and 10 houses were heavily damaged. For the time being, the road access for residents will pass through Semende area Muaraenim, said Ansari by short messenger. Why it collapsed? South Sumatra Governor Hermandir said the cause of the breakdown of Mulak Ulu Bridge, the link between Muaraenim and Lahat Regencies, was due to illegal miners. Thus, the water under the bridge became choked, caused the bridge foundation collapse. So there are illegal miners in Mulak Ulu, Lahat Regency. They pile up stones, so it's not just the quality of the bridge. The stones mined by illegal miners make the surrounding water run and hit the bridge. As previously reported, heavy rains that occurred on Monday, December 30, 2019, in the early hours of morning caused the Mulak Ulu Bridge that connects Lahat Regency to Muaraenim in South Sumatra collapse because it hit by floods. As a result, residents into sub-districts that are Mulak Ulu and Mulak Sebingkai have become isolated because they do not have road access. In order for the community not to be isolated, the provincial government of Sumatra installed an emergency bridge to temporarily overcome the broken bridge in Mulak Ulu village, Lahat Regency. His party coordinated with the National Road Implementing Agency to borrow the Bailey Bridge. Bailey Bridge is a steel frame bridge which is generally used as a temporary emergency bridge. With this bridge, it is hoped that the residents will not be isolated until the bridge repairing is carried out. What we can do to prevent a similar occurrence? According Herman, he had instructed regions and sub-district heads in nearby locations to monitor the large number of illegal miners. If illegal rock mining continue, the condition of the water discharge in the river will damage the bridge there. If it just released on the provincial government or POMPROP to carry out the supervision, it is difficult. So instructing the local government, both the sub-district head and the village head, to carry out things supervision later. He said meanwhile the provincial government of South Sumatra was currently coordinating with 17 regions or cities to anticipate disaster while the rain is still going on. Herman also asked all residents to remain vigilant and pay attention to safety. Satgas has been performed to deal with disaster. People are expected to pay attention to safety first, after their property, he said. Thank you for watching.
If you any question, please comment. Thanks for your time.